Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I'm good. My name is Anjali Rai and I've recently joined with English Shari. So,
Hmm.
how long have you been here?
Okay. So yeah, I'm. It is about 3 months I have been here, and it's a good experience. I found many tutors, and it was a great, conversation with them.
Yeah. So, why did you decided to join? What was the reason for joining?
Okay. So basically, initially when I decided to join that platform, so simultaneously I'm also using Clapping Go right now. And
Okay.
the problem was that I had no confidence, and
Okay.
yeah, so and I had
Yeah, like you
no
were able to speak, but you were not sure if what you are saying is right.
yes, I was
Okay.
confused. Maybe I'm somewhere wrong or making mistake. So that is why I thought I should start some conversation, and when I will make a conversation, then I think getting some confidence, and I will be able to talk easily.
Yeah. Yeah, because the more you will practice, the better you will be able to speak, and your confidence level will also improve.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Sure.
So, do you work somewhere or what do you do?
Okay. So as you know, I'm Sikha Singh, and
Okay.
basically I'm from UP. So I'm doing a job, and I'm working as a primary teacher, and it's been 3 years I'm here. That is all.
Okay. Which subject do you teach?
Basically, my subject is science, but in
Okay.
primary, sometime I have to teach all subject.
Okay. So, even I am from UP.
Oh, great.
From where are
Yeah.
you in UP?
Yeah, in UP, I'm from Raebareli district.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am from
And
Gazipur.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I have not lived there because of, my dad keeps on getting a transfer, so we had to shift. So mostly I have lived in Gujarat. Where do you live now?
Oh, I am always been here in my district. Yeah,
Okay,
my
so do you?
while working period. So when my father was RPF officer, now he is retired. So that time he was also moving here and there, but we were always stable here, and only we were going there only for vacation and something.
Okay, so do you enjoy living there, or do you want to shift to other cities, other big cities, or something like that?
No, everyone wants to explore, so I also would like to go somewhere and gain some knowledge. My resident place I also want in this district. That is very comfortable for me, and for only for fun, only for making some a good I can say experience with me. So that is why I want to go somewhere and want to
Okay,
explore my sometime.
yeah. So do you have any specific city in your mind where you would like to go?
Okay, yeah. So most common, I just have heard that Goa city. So it is in my
Yeah.
mind, and
Goa
because
is
it is
very
very
much happening. Yeah. Even
it is
everyone
very
wants
small
to go
city. Yeah.
there, I have never heard of a person who does not wants to go there.
Oh, yeah. So it is very small,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
every state has these are so
Calm. Yeah.
but Goa it's very complex. I just heard. I'm not sure that I will go or not. Rather than it, I had experience for. I have visited, Uttarakhand. So I had some experience because Uttarakhand it's also a good place and pleasant environment in Uttarakhand. And means climate it is fluctuated within a second in Uttarakhand. So Uttarakhand is
Okay.
very, I can say, a nice place as well
Okay.
because there
So
is
are you
many places in Uttarakhand where we can do many things and we can see the new things in Uttarakhand. So that's also good. And I also have heard that the heaven of the earth is like Uttarakhand and Jammu Kashmir. Maybe Some places
Okay.
are.
So are you fond of traveling, or you just go here and there for work purpose, or do you like traveling?
No, not work purpose. If I am going somewhere, so I like to travel and relax. And so that is why I always want to go, in vacation time and no work time and
Okay.
without any stress. Yeah. And my job is also
Yeah,
like
so
not.
yeah, so you're a teacher, so you would get time during Diwali vacation or winter vacation. So at that time you can go out. Yeah.
Okay. Mostly, in summer vacation because it is a
Yeah.
suitable. I think a winter vacation.
Yeah.
So no, I'm not much comfortable in winter vacation. Yeah, it
Okay.
if
Why? Why?
not sufficient. Because
Okay.
previously we were not getting much vacation during winter, but in this year government has started a scheme that now you have fixed time in winter time, and there is a fixed uh, I can say days where you can get leave. So this is called winter vacation. Previously if winter there is too cold, then suddenly government just have given the guideline, yeah, now school has closed. But now that is
Okay.
fixed. Only 15 days you can get in winter as a vacation. So now it is okay.
Also, yeah, and also there is this thing that in some places it's very cold, or in so you can also get sick because of the weather change.
Yeah, right. Sometimes it is
Yeah.
also. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have to
That
be
is also
so
a
much prepared
problem.
for it. Yeah,
Yeah.
right. Okay.
Okay.
So what
So
about
the topic we are going to, I haven't traveled much, but I do like traveling. I've only gone to few places, but yeah, I also enjoy traveling, staying in different hotels and
yes,
sightseeing and different forts and all of those new things. We get refreshed, so it's
yes.
a good experience. Yeah.
It's a good
Okay,
experience.
so have you? Yeah.
Definitely. Pardon?
Have you heard about artificial intelligence?
I don't know much about that. Artificial.
Okay, I will. Suppose we are doing some
Waiting.
work. So we do that work using our brain. So when that same work is done with the help of machines or computers, suppose we created an app or we created a program. So the same work is done by the computer. So that is called artificial intelligence, when the computer is doing the same work which a human brain can do. Okay, for example, like if we program a computer to do something, so we can do some other things while the computer is doing some other things. So it saves our time. Like all the apps and programs that we have through machinery,
Yeah, yeah.
artificial intelligence. Okay, are you clear with it?
Mm, yeah, yeah.
Your,
I
I think you're
get this.
having network.
Yeah,
Your screen is
yeah, maybe.
frozen. Yeah. Okay. So, um,
Yeah. So now I got it
so
means
do you think?
machine, uh,
Yeah.
whatever
Do
they
you
are
think it
doing.
has any advantage?
Yeah, why
Can you
not?
hear me?
It has
Yeah.
advantages.
Yeah.
Yeah, can hear you.
Yeah. Can you name some
Yeah.
advantages?
Yeah, so artificial intelligence, as you said. So I think nowadays there is too much advantage because while during pandemic we also have seen that how many apps they had helped us. So this is a best advantage because while lockdown, Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
So yeah, so means that was a very severe condition. We hadn't gone
Yeah.
anywhere. So and so that time we were
Even
just
we had to attend online classes and all of that. So it won't be possible without the machineries.
machineries, right,
Yeah.
right. So now I think this is also a part of life.
We used to we mobiles and most people have laptops. So we have got used to it now.
Used to, yeah, yeah, right. Okay.
Negative
So
impact.
okay, negative impact. So
Yeah.
negative impact is also simultaneously, I think, is here. And because if we are using this all the things most often, so definitely it will affect, somewhere our eyes are affected by this, and somewhere, our routine has changed
Yeah.
and fluctuating our
Yes,
routine.
yes.
So many
Yeah.
things are fluctuated just because of them. And children, they are addicted sometimes, so they don't want to eat anything, only they want to, play video. So so these
Yeah.
are some very
Yeah.
very simple
There. Yeah.
things.
Even I have a niece. She's like 5 years old and she keeps looking at YouTube videos. And when her mom tells her that, okay, you should eat now, she will say, no, I'm very busy looking at YouTube.
Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It is happening nowadays.
Yeah. Yeah. And also, it affects your eyesight, and in offices also people keep sitting in front of computers. So, they have back problem and posture problems. So there are some health effects also that we
Yeah,
face.
right,
Yeah.
right. Health is happening, definitely.
Yes. Lot of diseases are happening because of this only.
Definitely.
Because
Because I think, nowadays most of the disease are common, and just because of
yeah.
these things.
Yeah. At a early age only, people are getting diseases like blood pressure and cholesterol. People
Diabetes
used
as
to get all these diseases after 40 earlier, yeah.
earlier.
So
Yes,
it is affecting the lifestyle. Yeah.
yeah, totally. We can say that it is a
Yeah, in our day-to-day life, we can observe that.
sure, sure, right.
Okay, so another question is artificial intelligence should be used with care. So, what will happen if we are not using it with care?
Okay, okay. Yeah, because this is the technical thing, and we should be
Yeah,
careful about this.
yeah,
And
exactly.
because suddenly maybe it can explode, and maybe it will be affect you instantly, because there is no certainty. It's not a thing
Yeah,
we are
yeah,
connecting in front of you, but there is many things you are unknown about that. You are unaware about that.
yeah,
You are just operating things, you don't know what the inside about that. So if we are not be careful about, so due to this many incident happened, and people they
yeah,
got injured. So this is just because of some I think neglecting the things and careless.
yeah.
And
And
in
also,
yeah,
yeah. Go ahead.
yeah, means in many companies and factories we have heard the many news about that, just because of not careless, I think.
Yeah. And also, nowadays you might have observed that online fraud is happening and people are hacking each other's account and all of these illegal things are happening. So that is only possible in case of machinery only. So that is also, a different kind of negativity, because if you are using social media properly, there is no issue. But when you are spreading hate and negativity, then, it is affecting people.
Yeah, right, definitely. It is
Yeah,
nowadays very common to
yeah,
do.
yeah, yeah. Have you
Yes.
experienced any negative thing on the social media?
Okay. Only one I can say one comment you know, I got once, and
Which one?
that was, why? Because I was not aware that what is the exact thing, and I think I just commented on the one video what was going the time I had. I'm not recalling that right now. And so then I just commented, and then next anyone, I think someone else who were, and they commented something else. Means that was like so,
Very
embarrassing.
mean.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
very. I thought, what is this? And then I thought, I'm not gonna again comment to anyone video, whatever they are making, whatever they are doing.
Yeah.
And none of my business. So I stopped to do this because I had no much time to, make argument on
Yeah,
this.
because it messes with your, mental health, and you will keep thinking about it again and again. Even when you know you are not wrong, you will feel like, how can someone say that? Yeah, so
Yeah, yeah.
even, yeah, even that happens with me a lot, because, you might have seen people post anything related to women, which is not true, and they keep, stereotyping that women do such thing, they do this thing, they do this thing. So whenever I see some post which is wrong about women, so I comment like my view that this is not correct. So 10 people will then comment again that, oh, okay, you don't have any knowledge, you are a kid, you're that, you're this. So
Mm,
it happens like all the time. Yeah. Okay, can you give some examples of artificial intelligence?
okay, example. So many example like nowadays apps, which is making.
You can say that. Apps, mobiles, MacBook, laptops.
Yeah, means ebooks. It is also available,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
learning is going on, and sports regarding sport there is many apps. I think
Yeah,
everything is
yeah.
net Netflix. Like means everything is now on our social media and
Even
internet.
have you heard about the apps which pay you to walk? Have you heard about it?
No, I didn't. I think.
No, there are, I have heard about it. Like there are some two or three apps which pay you if you, like, you have to download the app and you have to do walking. So the number of steps will get converted into some kind of currency, and then you can, convert the steps into money. There is some kind of concept that I've heard about it.
I didn't.
Yeah, there
I
are,
don't want.
yeah, those
This is
apps
very
have some
weird.
name. I don't remember now, but yeah. Okay.
Okay. Means
So,
what is this? I can't understand. Means why it is.
yeah, there are a lot of apps like that. There nowadays there is an app for everything. Because everyone is learning coding also.
Yes, yes, right.
Yeah, when we were kids, we used to struggle to study C++ plus plus only. We were like, what is happening? I don't understand.
Yeah,
It was very
uh,
tough for us.
yeah, it was tough. I have learned,
Yeah,
you know, after that I didn't do practice and I forgot. Now I don't have idea what I have done.
yeah,
So,
yeah, exactly. What we
yes.
used to do was like, as soon as our sir got out of the classroom, we used to open Facebook, and then we used to do time pass. As soon as sir used to enter the class, we used to open C++. plus plus.
Yeah.
And in
Yeah,
exam also, we were so confused that what is happening.
definitely. Means now I am completely forgot what I have learned. I think I have wasted my money for that. I just yeah,
Yeah,
I did it. Means I have joined the
yeah,
tuition
because
and I have
yeah,
paid.
because
Then I
there are lot of programs and formulas and commands. Like it's very tough to remember that. Yeah.
formulas, yeah, like a reaction, chemistry reaction you have to
Yeah.
do.
Also,
Uh,
like if you even type one word wrong, you won't get the output. So
yes,
that was also like too much of hard work.
yeah, definitely. So
Yeah.
I think it is up to the practice. If you are learning
Yeah,
something,
yeah.
then
If someone
you
is doing it regularly, they will learn and they will remember. But once you leave it, it's tough.
definitely. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.